Okay guys, I just wanted to do a really quick review of this hot swap serial ATA 3.5 to 5.25 inch drive bay. And I've actually had this out before. It comes with a key and some. These screws that it comes with are junk. Do not use them. You'll strip them out first off. I stripped one out of the 4 when I installed it. I had to take a Dremel to and cut a notch in it to get it back out again. You may be asking, well, why did you take it back out again? And I'll show you. Okay, it also comes with an instruction manual. And one thing I want to show you in there real quick that's pretty interesting. This right here. So it shows connect your cables, right? Your SATA and your power cable, right? Okay, sure. That's normal. However, on the unit, it doesn't have a place to connect your cables. It comes with permanently, well, sort of, screwed on cables pass through, basically. So your drive hooks into this, which is normal, but then your cables are hardwired into that, right? Which is fine and dandy, but here's the problem. That doesn't look like a SATA power cable to me, does it? Does it to you? That's a 4-pin regular cable. So to use this, you'll need an adapter. I actually took this apart and looked, and it's just it's a solid pass-through. You can't take this off and use your own cables even. You have to use these, so you need an adapter, which it doesn't come with. Because I don't have any regular 4-pin power on my power supply right now, and so I'd have to find an adapter, which isn't a huge deal. It's not, it's annoying for cable management, but anyhow. Here's what ruins the whole thing completely. These are attached, these little spacers, to make it the 5.25, fit the 5.25. These little spacer things are attached via rivets, basically. See that? It's just a rivet, basically, with like dampeners on here. So that's a rivet, right? A very badly done rivet, because after installing it, this one broke off. Yeah, I could replace that with a bolt maybe, although it's really not an easy spot to get into. As you can see, there's all kinds of stuff in the way. You got this arm in the way, so, which maybe will go out of the way when I open it. Yeah, so I could replace it with a bolt, but it's just the whole build quality of the whole thing, it's just junk. I'd basically have to pop all these rivets and replace those things to do that. And no, it's just, these are really flimsy, man. Look at this. It's not a good product. It's badly designed. Why didn't they just make this plastic on the outside so it fit the drive bay, instead of having these stupid little metal spacer things? So yeah, anyhow, I'm sending it back. It was a cheap one anyhow. I'm going to buy a better one that's like $30, that's designed well. But all the ones you see for cheap that are designed like this, I would avoid them. Just garbage with these metal spacers like this. Like I say, you can kind of get them to work, but they're just not ideal at all.